Andrada Mining is the critical raw materials producer with mining and exploration assets in Namibia. It's announced that one of the world's largest lithium chemicals producers has entered into a 3-stage earn-in agreement to partner with the company in developing the Lithium Ridge asset. I'm delighted to be joined to talk about this by the Chief Executive, Anthony Viljoen. So, Anthony, the agreement is with Sociedad Química y Minera de Chile, which we'll refer to as SQM from now on. What experience does SQM have in lithium and in Namibia?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, a very exciting day for all of us. Partnerships take a while to cement themselves, and we're very happy that, we've partnered with SQM on a very substantial deal for ourselves and also for SQM. So SQM are, as you mentioned, the one of the biggest lithium producers globally. They bring a wealth of expertise in terms of processing lithium. They are now not so much a Chilean company, but a globally diversified company from a geographical point of view. This is their first investment into Namibia and one of their first investments into Africa, and it shows that they are looking to identify high quality regions where they can unlock the value of the lithium. And Namibia is one of what we're finding, one of the biggest repositories of lithium globally, which we're very excited about.
Understood, Anthony. So when will the earn-in agreement come into effect? And does Andrada have any obligations to fulfill before the agreement is triggered? How confident are you that the Namibian Competition Commission will approve?
So, it's a fairly standard requirement for deals in Namibia. We've seen it recently with a company called Osino, also a mining company that sold out and went and got Competition Commission approval. We don't see this as a very complex transaction, and it should hopefully be just a straight formality. Most of the other conditions related to the transaction we have fulfilled already. So, we're ready to kick off and ready to showcase Namibia as an investment destination of choice.
And when does the first earn-in payment come to Andrada?
So that will be upon the Competition Commission approval. So we would imagine in the not too distant future. But more importantly than the payment is getting drill rigs turning and proving up what we believe will be a very exciting deposit for the future.
Okay, so the Lithium Ridge asset will be operated by you during the earn-in period. So talk to us about what you believe the asset possesses and what the path to commercialization will be.
So it's a very unique geological formation, 6-kilometer long ridge, and pretty much all lithium or lithium bearing materials. We found that there's predominantly spodumene. We have done tests already from a flotation point of view, and we announced those test results that I think might have been missed by the broader public, but we were getting 80% plus recoveries in the flotation and up to 7% spodumene concentrate, which by global standards is incredibly high, and which is obviously one of the main reasons why SQM found this as an exciting deposit as we've got. So a lot of exploration upside, a lot of development potential, and with a partner like SQM, we can accelerate this development quite substantially.
Allow me to be devil's advocate, Anthony. In a worst-case scenario, if the agreement with SQM doesn't happen, is the asset attractive enough to attract other funding partners, and is earning in the preferred route to develop the asset?
Yes, we believe earning in is the preferred route. It leaves a lot of upside for incoming investors and also for existing investors. We know that there's a lot of upside there. We've done a lot of our own work. We've done a drilling campaign. We know where the mineralization is and how it occurs. The biggest unknown here is pretty much just how big the thing is, really. That's where the exciting part's going to come in.
So, educated guess, just how big is this? How big could it be?
We've got a target of in excess of 40 million tons, and we're hoping, obviously, that we far exceed that.
Okay, so ultimately, how does this agreement with SQM benefit Andrada shareholders and Namibian stakeholders?
So, look, first and foremost, from a Namibian point of view, we've shown our commitment to the country. We've invested a substantial amount of money already, and opened up the Erongo jewel, or the Erongo region as a jewel for mineral exploration. We're seeing a proliferation of a number of other companies sort of trying to copy what we're doing. We are the first mover. We have, really accelerated our development quite substantially in the country. So we see that as a real sort of bonus for ourselves, but obviously, giving back to Namibia. And also, from a partnership point of view, it's once again a really sort of value-accretive partnership for all our stakeholders. If you look at just the value that this asset is sitting on our books at the moment, it's sitting at about a $2 million value in our balance sheet, but this earn-in unlocks a significant more valuable proposition for our shareholders, with very little or no dilution at a top company level. In fact, we don't believe that this had any value in our current market cap. So everything that we've produced from this transaction is all upside for our shareholders.
So this year's been a busy year. You've restructured, you've got funds coming in, you've got this earn-in partnership agreement. So what's next?
Look, Sarah, we've always said that the first part of our journey was all about laying a solid foundation with cash flows and value-accretive partnerships. We've shown that we are able to attract significant partnerships. Bank of Windhoek, Orion Capital Partners, Standard Bank, and the Development Bank of Namibia, all from a financing side, and showing that we can now attract a significant shareholder like SQM, and joint venture partner like SQM shows the value that we are creating as we grow. So, and we've always maintained that we are in the next phase of our development as a company. So the first horizon or first phase that we refer to was establishing the platform, and now we're in the really exciting times of growth and expansion, and we believe that these partnerships will unlock all of that value as we hit that exponential growth curve.
Lovely. Anthony Viljoen, Chief Executive of Andrada Mining, thank you very much indeed.
Sarah, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for all of our retail shareholders for maintaining their belief in the company, and hopefully we can continue delivering more value as we grow and expand this company.